We're cooking with Mad Dog and Meryl.
Jeez, scared the heck out of me.
Boy, you're enthusiastic this morning.
You put an apron on the
Boy,
woman, look
go
what
with
happens.
Pete, blah, 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 blah. Come over to Mad Dog and Meryl. Bingo.
I know, we got to wake this crowd up.
Holy cow.
These are cute.
These are some people would call these pig in a blanket.
Sure.
Yeah.
We call them Meryl in a nightie. And you know what?
I just don't want that image in my head.
See,
and now
all of a
it's
sudden
there.
she went from like this, and
Yeah,
now it's
and then
like
you brought
I
it
just
down.
don't
You know
want
the Vogue thing I'm going to do all year long. No,
The
not
what?
really. The Vogue thing.
You're going to Vogue?
I'm gonna cook with 2 items.
Yeah.
And I got it. 'cause
All
I
year
want-
long?
All. Yeah, no,
2014
I'm
is
gonna
too-
lie. I'm a
He's
lie.
lying.
I saw these in the groceries. These are corn muffins.
Ooh.
So they're cornmeal muffins.
Oh,
so I'm gonna
okay.
take as simple as can be. Take a little bread knife, serrated knife, cut the cornmeal muffin in 4s. Take one of those 4s. Take a cheddar. These are little smoky cheddars.
Yeah.
And right
Oh.
in the center, just push them down, curl them around. You got little Meryl's
Did you
in the
really
night.
come up with that idea?
This morning at 4 o'clock in the morning, I let the
The,
dog
guy,
out.
the guy's just a genius.
Brilliant.
I let the dog out, and I says, "Wow, I'm gonna do little Meryl's in a nightie."
I love it.
That's good.
But he's thinking about you in a nightie at 4 in the morning disturbs me a little bit.
4 in the morning, man. I gotta have a 90. What the heck? What are you thinking of?
What are you
Hey,
making,
I'm gonna do a
Meryl?
bean dip today, which is
Bean
very
dip.
simple
Love
to
it.
do, and something to go ahead and watch the games on. I've just taken some regular bean and bacon soup.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead, heat this up, smash it down a little bit. I'm gonna use 8 ounces of sour cream, about 8 ounces of shredded cheese, a little bit of taco sauce, and we'll heat that up. And
Oh, you could
What are we
probably
gonna
put some
do?
habanero in there or something like
Sure.
that. Sauce or sauce.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah, you could
can.
spice it up any way you wanted.
Well,
Maybe
sure,
some-
it's
how about some of those
America. You
green
can do
chilies?
what you
I
want,
like
but I don't
those.
have any.
Yeah,
Let's see me got in their kitchen.
Hey, you
I
know
mean,
what?
in their
Hey.
refrigerator. Oh, yeah.
KI Convention Center. You guys are at the home show?
Oh, yeah, you're gonna
We're
be
at
there.
the home show.
Yes.
We have stage shows today at 3:30 and 5:30.
Yes.
And then Saturday and Sunday all day long.
What are you going to be doing? You're going to
we're
be
gonna
doing
do it-
Meryl's in a nightie?
No, we're going to be doing that summer
for
sausage.
you.
Hey, come
They
on,
saved
see
that for
Meryl
us.
and Nighty. Come
We
on,
actually do
what's wrong with you?
we're
No,
doing the
it's a good time.
stage presentations. It's a great
Okay.
time. It's a good show. KI Convention Center all weekend long. Mad Dog and Meryl. We got
Okay.
our cookbooks for $10.
Will you sign them for folks?
And you get a free garlic
That
barbecue
smells good.
sauce
Oh,
with
you
the
do?
cookbook.
Get out of town. You buy a cookbook,
yeah.
you get some sauce.
Yeah, absolutely, hon.
Now, you said you smashed that down? Or
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you
'Cause I
get
wanna
it sort of smash it down.
'Cause it
just a
sounds
little
easy to
bit.
make.
It is. Well, I'm doing it for God's sake. What do you think?
Meryl's
All
one,
right,
it's
all
gotta
right.
be easy.
So Mad Dog and Meryl, they'll be at the home show, but they will also be back here in 1 hour with Pete Petoniak,
And
they
Pete-
will be on CW14 Sundays.
We
at
gotta be
9:30.
on with Pete Petoniak.
Wow.
You're watching Good Day Wisconsin.